She's been getting pain in her right shoulder. She's gone to the doctor. How long has this been going on for?
15 years.
15 years.
This is how we helped Simran. Her right shoulder was giving out on this assessment. She scored it only a 1 out of 10 on strength. To confirm, we tested it again, but I had to tickle her belly just to lighten the mood.
Tickle. All right.
We call that maneuver the Pillsbury Doughboy. Her right shoulder was giving out on this test. She scored it a 5 or 6 out of 10. Here's the corrective recipe we used to help her out. After the correctives, we retested her shoulder. This time she was ready to defend against the Pillsbury Doughboy. She did not get another belly tickle, but she did get way stronger. Now check out her reaction on the next test.
Oh my god.
How'd that feel?
11, 12.
Technically speaking, the numbers 11 and 12 do not fit on a scale of 1 to 10. Maybe she doesn't understand the math, but Simran now understands how to help herself and how to help others.
Tickle.